today we will discuss the HTML elements and tags. So let me open the code editor. So in the HTML tags are define the structure of a web page. Elements are written using the tag which tells the browser how to display the content. So let's take an example. If you want to display some paragraph, then you will use the p tag. This tag will display the paragraph. Now if you want to display some heading, then you can use the h tag. In HTML we have total 6 type of headings, hashtags. So first is the h1, second we have h2, then we have h3, then we have h4, then we have h5, then we have h6. Okay, so let me add the heading h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Okay, let's run this on a browser. Let's see how it looks. Okay, see, this is the paragraph and we are using heading for is with different font. This is the h1, h2, so on. So basically h2 and h3, h4 or other headings are used for the subheading, and h1 is the main heading that in recommendation h1 should be used only once on the page, but you can use h2 and other tags multiple times on the page as well. And after that we have ordered list, OL. In the ordered list we have li. Li represent the list tag, list 1, list 2, list 3. So these are the ordered tag. Ordered list represent the numbers, and we have unordered list, that is the UL. We can define the same thing in the unordered list as well. And unordered list display the bullet points. Let's take a look. See, these are the unordered list and these are the unordered list. And we can also define this as a nested ULLI structure like this. Same for the unordered list as well, like this. Okay, apart from this we have a tag, that is very important and used for the navigation part. Means if you want to visit another page, then you can use the a tag. Let's suppose I am visiting the home page, right? So we can use the a tag. Basically it's open the same page. Let me open this on a new tab. So we use target left blank. So it's open the new page in the target. So I think we have covered almost all the elements that mostly used in the HTML, and in the next video we will discuss the images, videos and medias. So thank you for now and have a nice day.